Hello students, good evening. In our previous chapter, we have discussed on the very interesting chapter. It was the last leaf, in which I told you man should be optimistic. Man should be optimistic instead of pessimist. In this present lesson or present chapter, it is written by Robert Frost, who won Pulitzer Prize 4 times for his outstanding work. Among them, there is a poem Mending Wall. Mending Wall means sometimes you have seen around your house there is a boundary of your garden or courtyard in which you make boundaries to make separate land of your separate land from your neighbors. That is the remark of your own land. So, in this poem, poet describes the separate relationship, some limitations and barriers which conform the area of any one person or the owner of a land. So making fence and wall all around the courtyard is called the barriers or boundaries of the land. Here in this poem, Mending Wall is a dramatic monologue. Dramatic monologue means when a narrator starts narrating the story in the form of a drama is called the dramatic. Mono means single, log means speech. Single speech means here poet starts speaking on a relationship with his neighbors. So he also insists good fences make good neighbors. So it is the view, opinion and thought of the poet. So Mending Wall is a dramatic monologue. He starts narrating its story to the audience. It is one of the most appreciated poems of Robert Frost. In this poem, he expressed his views and attitude towards the wall separating his plot from his neighbors. The poet sees no use in having this wall, but his neighbor is a traditionalist. He is in favor of the wall. He believes that good fences make good neighbors. I start the poem. Something there is that doesn't love a wall, that sends the frozen ground swell under it, and spills the upper boulders in the sun, and makes gap even two can pass abreast. Something there is that doesn't love a wall. Some inheritors, creatures who doesn't love the wall. Some ground are creepers, climbers and some other creatures who do not like a wall. and that sends the frozen ground swell under it. And you will see, if your wall is so old, it start swelling, and its boulder of upper part start falling from it and spills the upper boulders in the sun. In presence of sun, hot sun, the upper boulders of the wall start falling down and makes gap even two can pass a breast. And in this way, slowly and gradually, you will see all the gaps can be seen in the wall of the boundary, and from which two people in a single time can go one plot to another plot, or one place to another place. The work of hunters is another thing. Means hunters also used to make holes on the wall. I have come after them and made repair. But I always used to see the balls, and I found there is hole in my wall, and I made it repair. Where they have left not one stone on a stone, but they would have the rabbit out of hiding. I have come after them and made repair where they have left not one stone on a stone. Means you will see there is no such stone on the wall now, but they would have the rabbit out of hiding. And you see, rabbit used to hide in that particular hole to please the aping dogs. The gaps I mean, to please the aping dogs. Aping dogs means to make a short high cry. Means when they start making high cry, high pitched up voice, is called aping dogs. The gaps I mean, no one has seen them made or heard them made. Means I could not find such a thing who made such a big gap in my wall. So I could not blame anyone for it. No one has seen them made or heard them made. No one has seen them made or heard them made, but at spring mending time we find them there. But during the spring season, I find them there. I let my neighbor know beyond the hill, and I asked my neighbor that we have to make a separate wall. It brings a good relationship between us. Now you see, and on a day we meet to walk the line and set the wall between us once again. The ball that is fell down, again I ask my neighbor to build these wall to make separate land and plot with my neighbor. We keep the wall between us as we go. To each the boulders that have fallen to each, means again I put a boulder on boulder to make the wall. We have to use a spade to make them balance, and for this we spell one upon one to make the balance of the wall. Oh, just another kind of outdoor game. One and on a side it becomes two little more. There where it is we do not need the wall. But my neighbor said we do not need any wall. Without having wall we can make our relationship good. It is the strong bond of our relation. But he insisted, no, good fences make a good neighbors. So I do not allow him to fall the wall. I insisted there should be boundary, there should be wall in between our plot, and that brings us a good relation. There where it is, we do not need the wall. My never said, no, we do not need any wall. He is all pine and I am apple orchard. My neighbor has the pine garden and I had the apple orchard. Orchard means the garden of fruits, pine fruits and apple fruits. So my neighbor had the pine garden and I had the apple garden. My apple trees will never get across. I said him, my apple trees never get across. And eat the cones under his spine, I tell him. And eat the cones under his spines. And I find some creatures who used to eat my apples in your pine tree. I tell him. He only says good fences make good neighbors. And he said, good fences make good neighbors. Spring is the mischief in me. But I find spring is the mischief, cheat, and I wonder if I could put a notion in his head. I tried my best to convince him that there is no need of wall, fences, or other things to have a good relationship, but he could not understand it and said always good fences make good neighbors. Why do they make good neighbors, isn't it? Why where there are cows, but there are no cows? Before I built a wall, I had asked to know what I was walling in or walling out, and to whom I was like to give offense. Something something there is that doesn't love a wall, that wants it down. I could say else to him, but else to him, but it's not else exactly, and I had rather he said it for him. I see him there, bringing a stone grasped firmly by the top, in each hand like an old stone savage arm. In these lines, poet explains that so many questions. Why do they make good neighbors? Why we make good neighbors? Why do we make good friends? Why do we make good relations with other people? Why where there are cows? Why where there are cows? Means you see everywhere are the cows, but here there are no cows. And you see in my fences, when I make my wall, you can see there is no cows. Before I built a wall, I had asked to know. Before it so many cows were here, but now no, they are not here. So I made that wall, and to whom I was like to give offense. And if someone disturb my plot, eat my apples, I cannot offend or blame to anyone. So I made a wall to defend my orchard. Something there is that doesn't love a wall. It might be that means some creatures would not like to make a wall that wants it down, so they pull down it. I could say elves to him, but means some kind of a small person. Elves means some kind of a small person, but it doesn't elves exactly. But those were not the elves. who pulled down the wall. And I had rather, he said it for himself. I see him there, bringing a stone grasped firmly by the top. I see him there, bringing a stone grasped firmly by the top. But I see someone who took my stones, that is laid on upper part of the ball. He said it for himself. I see him there, bringing a stone grasped firmly by the top, in each hand like an old stone side. He put firmly those stones up the wall and moves in a darkness, as it seems to me. And I see that he took those stones, that is put on upper part of the wall, and it was so dark so I could not see clearly, but it he disappears in that darkness, not of boots, only in the shade of trees. And he moved away in the shade of the trees. He will not go behind his father's saying, and but I do not follow him. He will not go behind his father's saying, because my father always say, good fences make good neighbors. And he likes having thought of it so well. He says again, good fences make good neighbors. So I should follow the instructions and lessons is given to me by my father. So in this lesson, Wyatt started reciting the story of his father. He taught him so many lessons, that good fences make good relations, and to follow the instructions, he explained the same idea to his neighbors, but his neighbor was not in mood to make boundaries. He insisted that we people and other creatures are the same, and they should live freely without having any boundaries and fences. Nature provides us everything without having any boundaries, without any limitations. So if you want to keep relationship with others, there should be no such boundaries. If you create boundaries, yeah, it may be your thought and opinion that good fences make good neighbors, but I think it's not an idea that should be followed. So I am not in favor of making any barriers to move one place to another place. So that is the chapter 11, Mending Wall, written by Robert Frost. In this poem, poet insisted to live happily, having good relationship with your neighbors, and it doesn't matter how you feel, how you do, and how you do all for your neighbors, and there is no need of making boundaries and boundary walls to have a good relationship with your neighbors. So keep learning and behaving in good manner to your neighbors. That's an end to the poem. If you have any queries, give your reactions and comment me in watching this video. Thank you for the day. Have a nice day. Good night.